Hello my dear student. Today we will talk about surface area of rectangular prism. First of all, let's know the rectangular prism. This is the rectangular prism. We have length, width and height. How we can find the surface area of rectangular prism? It will equal three parts. It will equal 2LW, 2LH, 2WH. Okay? The L here represents length, the W represents width, and H represents height. Well, what we mean about 2LW, it means 2 times L times W. Well, when we make 2 times L times W, this is the top and bottom, okay? And 2 times L times H, the L length, the H height, that's equal front and back. So this is the area of top and bottom, this is the area of front and back, and 2WH, it's the area of the two sides, okay? When we make plus for the three thing here, we get surface area of rectangular prism, okay? So how we can get the result in easy way? If you make it in just direct or in one step, that will be a little hard on you. But if you want and you can, it's okay, that will be great. But if you can't, we can make it in steps. Like what? Like we will get 2LW, then we will find 2LH, then 2WH. After that, we will make plus for the three thing. We will get the surface area of rectangular prism, okay? So don't forget, L represents length, W, width, and H height. And the S, of course, it's surface area of rectangular prism. Well, let's see the first example we have today. Here he asks you, find the surface area of each rectangular prism. Well, let's get 2LW, 2LW. Before we do that, let's know which number of that is the length, the width, and the height. Well, the length here is 10, the width is 3, and the height is also 3. So that will be 2 times, the length is 10, times the width is 3. 2 times 10 times 3. Well, to get the result in easy way, make it in 2 steps. So, for example, I will take 2 times 3, then I will make it times 10. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 10 equals 60. Okay? Maybe another one wants to make 2 times 10, 20, then make 20 times 3 equals 60. The same result, you will get the same result. But the way that you do it, it's up to you. Yani, do whatever you like. Okay, now let's find 2LH. 2LH. Okay, that will equal what? 2 times. The length here is 10, so that will be 2 times 10, and the height here is 3. 2 times 10 times 3. It's the same number that the step before, so we will get the same results, guessing. Then we will find 2WH. Okay. That will equal what, habibi? That will be 2 times. The W here will be 3, and the H here is also 3. So that's 2 times 3 times 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 equal 18. Now let's find the surface area of rectangular prism. What we should do here, we will make plus for the three numbers that we have here. So that will be 60 plus 60 plus 18. Okay, habibi. Now, how we can get the result in easy way? Like we did before, we will take each two numbers together. So I will take 60 plus 60, it's 120. Then I will make it plus 18. So 120 plus 18 equal what? Equal 138. So the surface area of this rectangular prism will equal 138. Okay, you got it? That's great. Now, I want for you to focus with me on this question because you will answer the second one, right? First of all, let's know the length, the width, and the height. The length here will be number 2, and the width is 0.9, the height 1.5. Miss, it will be a little hard on us. No, don't worry, it will be so easy. Where is the difference? We just have decimal numbers. We will do the same steps, the same rule that we will use it, okay? The only difference that we will put points on the answer. That's it, okay? So let's find the first one. It will be 2LW. That's equal what, my dears? 2. The length here is 2, so that will be 2 times 2. The width is 0.9. Equal. Okay, let's make it in 2 steps. 2 times 2, 4. Now we will make 4 times 0.9. Let's make a step here. I guess it's so easy, but anyway, let me tell you how we can do it. Well, 4 times 9 equals 63. So we will write 6, carry up 3. 4 times 0 equals 0, plus 3, that would be 3. So the result is 36. Don't forget, we have here decimal point. The decimal point here after 1 digit. So we will put the decimal point in the result after 1 digit. So the answer would be 3.6. Let's see the next one. It will 2LH. 2LH equal 2 times the length here is 2 and the height here is 1.5. So that would be 2 times 2 times 1.5 equal 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we have 4 times 1.5. Let's make a step for it. Let's make a graph here. So we have 1.5 times 4. Of course, we know that when we make times, we'll start from ones. So it will be like that. 4 times 5 equals 20. We will write 0, carry up 2. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And don't forget, we have a decimal point here after 1 digit. So in the result, we will put the decimal point after 1 digit. The result here is 6.0. We will leave it like that? No, because 6.0 it's like 6 and 0. Is that make sense? No, so 6.0 equals 6. So the second one will be 6. Let's see the third one. It will be 2WH. 2WH equal. That will be 2 times the W here is 0.9 and the H here is 1.5 equal 2 times 0.9 equal what? Let's sorry for that. Let's make a step here. 0.9 times 2. 2 times 9 equal 18. 8, carry up 1. 2 times 0 equals 0, plus 1 equal 1. And we will put a point after 1 digit. Now we have 1.8 times 1.5. Let's make a graph here for it. 1.8 times 1.5. Don't forget, we will start from ones. 5 times 8 equals 40. Write 0, carry up 4. 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. Plus, now we will deal with the second digit, so we will put 0 in the first place. Now we have 1 times 8 equals 8, then 1 times 1 equals 1. Now let's make plus together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7, carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, we will put the decimal point here where it's 1, 2. We have here the decimal point after 2 digits, so in the result we will put it after 2 digits. So it will be 2.7. 2.7. Now we want to find the surface area of rectangular prism, so we will make plus for the 3 digits that we have here. So it will be 3.6 plus 6 plus 2.70. Who can tell me when we make this plus, the result will be what? And to make it easy, like we said before, make it in 2 steps, okay? Great job. I can hear one of you tell me it will be 12.3. That's a great, my dears. Super. Now it's your turn to answer this question. What we're gonna do now, you will stop the video. You will try to solve this question alone. After you finish, play the video again, compare your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure your answer will be correct. Okay, Habibi, now stop the video and I will wait for you. Okay, Habibi, welcome back. Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, that's great. Let's do it. So the first thing, we will get 2LW. Well, before we answer, tell me what's the length, the width, and the height here. So the length here will be 7, the width is 5, and the height is 4. Great job. Now let's get the result. So it will be 2 times what? Can you tell me? Super, that will be 2 times 7 times 5. Well, here I use the golden number. We have 2 times 5 times 2 times 7 times 5. We know that if we make 2 times 5, we will get 10, and 10 times 7 equals 70. So it's much easier on us now. Okay, the second thing, it will be 2 length h, 2LH. That will equal 2 times, the length here is 7, and the height here is 4, so that will be 2 times 7 times 4 equal. Well, 2 times 4 equal 12, and 12 times 7 equal, yeah, great job, that will be 2 times 4 equal 8, and 8 times 7 equal 56. Great job. Now let's find the last thing, it's 2WH. That will equal 2 times, the W here is 5, and the height here is 4, so that will be 2 times 5 times 4. Well, 2 times 5 equal 10, and 10 times 4 equal 40. Now let's get the surface area of rectangular prism. What should we do here? Yeah, great job. We will make plus for all numbers that we get. So that will be 70 plus 56 plus 40. Okay. Can you tell me that will equal what? Okay, take your time. I'm waiting for you. Great, that will be 166. Super, my dears. Okay, you understand? That's great. Now, Habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.